This is Parker, who's just been outside sunbathing.
Hi, it's the Canine Tooth Fairy here, and as you can see, I'm actually cleaning my own dog's teeth. It's quite an interesting experience because they are quite friendly, demand a lot of love, and they're not as well behaved as my clients. So after today's work, you can see the results of all of the teeth cleaning. It wasn't perfect because Parker especially wasn't very good. Hurley was amazing. Oakley was also quite challenging, so it was quite difficult to get them to stay still to allow the Emmy Pet to do its work and then for me to get in there to do the flick off. But I am really pleased that they let me in. This is the second time I've ever done it, and their teeth are getting cleaner and cleaner all the time. Let's just say there's work to be done, but I'm happy.